The very beautiful view of Playa Azalea swimming pool. But please like and subscribe my channel to see more of my videos. This is their kids pool, and there's the adults pool there. Very clean. It's very good to relax in here. A peaceful place. This area is exclusive for lot owners only, but if you have a referral or you have a friend, you can also come here. They have a commercial. It's there. It's Costa Azalea. We call it Costa Azalea. It's 750 per person. But in here, it's the lot owner's privilege to swim here. This is located at Samal. You will need to ride a barge in sa wharf in order for you to come here. They have their beach too downstairs. I'm only featuring the swimming pool right now. Very nice. The water is blue and it's clean because the water is flowing. New water here, and it will flow there, so it refreshes from time to time. So it's really clean. That's why you can see it's very blue. I'm so pretty white in the blue water. So their water is very, very clean. Very nice. And their cottages, it's 700. Their cottages is 700. This cottage. Very nice here. The water is very clean. It's an high-end property lot in Samal. And very peaceful. You can hear the birds. Very nice, no? This is needs a barge to come here since I'm from Davao City. And the only stressful to come here is the lane for the barge. You need to come here very, very early. Oh, very peaceful, parang it's like ako lang may-ari ng swimming pool na ito. Oh, wala. It's afternoon right now, so maybe they're done with the swimming. Kasi kanina morning, a lot of people did swimming here. But right now, I'm alone here. And it's very fresh air. The air is super fresh. Just enjoy the view of the trees, the sound of the water. Can you hear the sound of the water? And the sound of the bird. Oh, very nice. And that's the sound of the helicopter. Very peaceful, nice place to chill. Okay, bye guys, I will swim now. Please like and subscribe my channel. Bye.